You're not alone. Parasites are sneakier than your last midnight snack, and they might already be lurking in your body. But don't panic. Nature has your back with powerful herbs that can help kick these freeloaders out for good. What's even better? You only need 2 simple spoonfuls of these natural remedies to start your journey to a cleaner, healthier you. First, let's talk about why parasites are such a big deal. These microscopic squatters can wreak havoc on your gut, steal your nutrients, and leave you feeling tired, bloated, or even sick. Symptoms like digestive issues, unexplained fatigue, or skin problems might be the silent SOS signals your body is sending. So, how do you fight back? Enter nature's heavy hitters, anti-parasitic herbs that cleanse your system gently but effectively. The ultimate duo, wormwood and clove. Wormwood and clove are a dynamic duo that works wonders on parasites. Wormwood is the herbal assassin, containing compounds like thujone and sesquiterpene lactones that create an unfriendly environment for parasites. It essentially disrupts their metabolism and reproduction, kicking them out faster than a bad tenant. Clove, on the other hand, is the cleanup crew. Packed with eugenol, clove eliminates parasite eggs, ensuring they don't make a comeback. Together, these 2 herbs tackle both adult parasites and their offspring, no loose ends. How to use them? The 2-spoon method. Here's the magic formula. Wormwood powder. Start with 1 teaspoon mixed into warm water or herbal tea. Take it on an empty stomach for maximum impact. Clove powder. Add 1 teaspoon to the same mix or sprinkle it over food if the taste is too strong. Do this daily for 2 weeks and watch your body detox naturally. But don't stop there. Adding black walnut hull powder can supercharge this cleanse, acting like a bouncer that ensures no parasites sneak back in. Why these herbs work? Wormwood, clove, and black walnut don't just evict parasites, they also support your digestion and immune system. Wormwood boosts bile production, helping your liver detoxify more effectively, while clove's antioxidant properties repair damage caused by the parasites. And let's not forget black walnut, which oxygenates the blood, making it even harder for parasites to survive. Supportive herbs and foods. For an even better cleanse, pair these with garlic, ginger, or papaya seeds, all known for their anti-parasitic properties. And don't forget probiotics to restore your gut health after the cleanse. Yogurt, kefir, or fermented foods like sauerkraut will help rebuild the good bacteria that keep your gut in balance. A word of caution. While natural remedies are powerful, they should be used wisely. Start with small doses to ensure your body tolerates the herbs, and always consult a healthcare professional if you have existing medical conditions or take medication. Pregnant or breastfeeding? Skip the wormwood. It's a little too intense during this time. Parasites may be sneaky, but with just 2 spoonfuls of these potent herbs, you can take back control and cleanse your body naturally. If this helped you rethink your health routine, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to explore our previous videos packed with more tips for a healthier, happier you. Your body will thank you.